and welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. Today's video, we're gonna do some maintenance on the Charger today. And I don't care if you got a Hellcat, a Scat Pack, a SXT, it don't matter what you have, man. This is something that you gotta do, especially for the summertime. And I know you see the Charger back good, looking sweet. But this is definitely something that you must do. Excuse all this noise, man. I'm right here by the highway. This is definitely something you must do for the summertime, man, because if you don't, not only could it be, you know, a health issue, and also, man, I got on a t-shirt today. Go down to the description and there's a link where you can get your t-shirts, man. So go ahead and order your t-shirts and show your boy Him and Muscle some love, man. Or go ahead and get your merch. But anyway, I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I'm talking about. I don't care what kind of Dodge Charger you got, even the Challenger, any kind of car, really. This is something that you must check and definitely change. So let me stop talking, man. Let's get right to it. So what I'm talking about, man, is the cabin filter. Now, of course, yes, my engine is dirty. I have not cleaned my engine yet, so I don't want anybody in the comments saying, "Hit me Muscle, your engine is dirty." I know the engine is dirty. But what you want to do, man, you want to pop this out, and it's nothing but these two clips right here. Pop that out, and then right here, if you pop this up right here, and the filter's right here, man. So pull that out, check it. And as you see, this joint is dirty. Look at that filter, and this is the stuff you breathing in, man, if you don't check it. That's what I'm saying. You must check this. I don't care if you got a Hellcat, a Demon, it don't matter. This is something that you must check and you must replace. I am not cleaning this, and I don't think these are meant to be cleaned. So I got my fresh one right here. Nice and clean, nice and fresh. And you want to make sure the airflow arrow is pointing towards the cabin. You don't gotta be a rocket scientist to do this. Boom, now it's in there. Pop it back. Clip this back on. Boom, done deal. Take this one right here and definitely dispose of this. And that's it, man. So it's just a short little video, man. A little summertime maintenance thing you want to check and also change, because again, that dirty filter, that's all the stuff you're breathing in when you turn on your air conditioner. You and your kids riding around, man, you got all this dirty stuff floating around in the car. You got the windows up, you think you're chilling. You got all these particles and stuff blowing in the car, man, making everybody sick, mess with everybody's allergies. I know me, myself, I got allergies real bad. God damn, somebody around a Harley Davidson. So make sure you definitely check that, man. If this your first time joining my channel, man, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. I appreciate everybody joining my channel. See y'all on the next video. Peace.